Have you ever provided liquidity to a decentralized exchange like ApeSwap, and the price of your LP token changed, but don't know how to calculate that? Hi, I'm Tim, and today you will learn how this works. So, ApeSwap offers a wide list of features to earn money with your tokens, and one of these features is called farms. If you want to learn how to use farms, check this video, link in description. However, providing liquidity to a farm is not without risk, as you may be exposed to impermanent loss. This happens when you provide liquidity to a liquidity pool, and the price of your deposited assets changes compared to when you deposited them. The bigger this change is in relation to each other, the more you are exposed to impermanent loss. For example, let's say OB deposits 10 bananas and 100 BUSD in a liquidity pool. The deposited token pair needs to be of equivalent value, so this means that the price of one banana is 10 BUSD at the time of the deposit. This also means that the dollar value of OB's deposit is $200 at the time of deposit. In addition, there's a total of 100 bananas and 1000 BUSD in the pool, which equals $2,000 of total liquidity. So, OB has a 10% share of the pool. Let's say that there's a buying force that purchases bananas, adding BUSD to the pool and removing bananas, and the price increases to 40 BUSD. Now, for each bananas there's going to be 40 BUSD, so 50 bananas and 2000 BUSD remain in the pool. Now, OB wants to withdraw his LP tokens and turn them back into bananas and BUSD. He receives 10% of the total liquidity, which at this time is 5 bananas and 200 BUSD, totaling $400. He made some nice profit since his initial deposit was $200, but if he would have held the same tokens in his wallet, he would now have 10 banana and 100 BUSD, totaling $500. This is what we call impermanent loss. In this case, OB's loss wasn't that substantial as the initial deposit was a relatively small amount. Keep in mind, however, that impermanent loss can lead to bigger losses, including a significant portion of the initial deposit. Nevertheless, OB's example completely disregards the profits he would have earned for providing the LP tokens to a farm. In many cases, the profits earned would negate the losses and make providing liquidity profitable. Even so, it's crucial to understand impermanent loss before providing liquidity to ApeSwap. Don't forget to like, comment, share on social media, and subscribe if you learned something, so that you don't miss the next videos.